Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Study Paper 1 of year 2023 of Civil Services Pre-Exam. Question number 71 is: consider the following statement with reference to India. 1. According to the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development MSMED Act 2006, the medium enterprises are those with investment in plant and machinery between rupees 15 crore and rupees 25 crore. 2. All bank loans to the micro, small and medium enterprises qualify under the priority sector. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So here first statement is the investment of medium enterprises uh, between 15 crore and 25 crore according to MSME Act 2006. So that is wrong statement. The actual investment is between 10 crore to starting from 10 crore to 50 crore. Okay, so that is your right amount. Okay, so first statement is wrong, and I am reading out this the MSME Act. MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act of 2006 defines MSME based on investment in plant, machinery, equipment and annual turnover. Micro enterprises are defined as those with investment up to rupees 1 crore and turnover up to 5 crore, while the small enterprises have investment up to rupees 10 crore and turnover up to rupees 50 crore. Medium enterprises have investment up to rupees 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crore. Okay. Now second statement: all bank loans to micro, small and medium enterprises qualify under priority sector. So that is also correct. So that is the correct statement only. Bank loans to micro, small and medium enterprises engaged in providing or rendering of services and defined in terms of investment in equipment under MSME Act 2006 irrespective of loan limit are eligible for classification under priority act sector with effect from March 1, 2018. So only second statement is correct. All bank loans to micro, small and medium enterprises qualify under the priority sector. And now these limits are according to um, Act of year 2006. New revised limit has been mentioned. The new MSME, micro, small and medium enterprises definition was announced in the Union Budget 2025-2026 and will take effect on April 1, 2025. The new definition is based on both investment in plant and machinery and annual turnover. For micro, it is the now limit is 2.5 crore. For small, it is between 2.5 to 25 crore, and for medium, it is from 25 to 125 crore. And turnover for micro is up to rupees 10 crore, and for small up to 100 crore, and for medium up to 500 crore. Okay. So answer is, for this question is option B. Only second statement is correct. All bank loans to micro, small and medium enterprises qualify under the priority sector. That is correct. And this limit is not valid. Actual limit is 10 to 50 according to Act of 2006. So answer is option B only.